Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to fill NCC special entry form. So before we proceed ahead, I would like to say few points which we need to keep in our mind while filling up this form. Only those candidates can apply who all are having C certificate with minimum of B grade. And the candidates must have been in NCC for 3 years. You should have obtained overall 50% marks in graduation from any recognized university in India. The candidate's age must be, or the date of birth must fall between 2nd July 1996 to 1st July 2002. Both the dates are included. One important point which I would like to mention, those candidates who all have written CDS for SSC and non-technical 114 course, and women who have written CDS for SSC non-tech 28th course can also apply for NCC C certificate if they have C certificate with B grade. But you will have to keep one thing in your mind, that you can go only for one SSB, either for NCC, that is without written entry course, direct entry course you can say, that is in 50th NCC course, or with your written course, that was 114th for gentlemen and 28th for lady. Apart from this, before we start filling up the form, I will ask all of you to keep your image and scanned photograph and image of signature ready, which should be in JPG format and less than 10 KB. So here we will proceed to fill up the form.
Are you preparing for defense written exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT or Sainik School Entrance Exam? Join our written exam preparation courses, practice mock tests and get expert mentor support. Call us at 725-940-7111.
The official website of Indian Army is join Indian Army.nic.in. If you click this website, you will find here, and then you click on join Indian Army. So before we go to the Indian Army site, you will see here that one captcha you will have to fill. I'll put the captcha. Yes, this is the interface of official website of Indian Army. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not registered or applying for the first time for any courses, for any SSB, for any SSB for this Indian Army, then for the first time you will have to register yourself. So how you will have to register? You will have to click on officers entry, apply, login. There you can get registered yourself. If you have not registered, or if you are already registered, then you will put your username, password and captcha. If you have not registered, here is the registration. From here you can register. Okay, so already I have registered, so I will put my username and password. Then I'll put captcha, then login. See, once I'm registered, so my profile data will already be available here on the site. So I'll click on apply online. If you have not registered, then you will have to put all the details like your name, your matriculation certificate according to your matriculation certificate, and your parents' name, your date of birth. These all things you will have to write during the registration on this site. Once you are already registered, you can click on apply online. So here you will find that what are the options here according to your marks in graduation, or according to your qualification. It will be already available here. So if you are applying for NCC C certificate, you will have to click here for NCC C certificate. And in this course, the wards of battle casualties can also apply without having C certificate. So the moment you will click on C certificate, you will find here the option will get open, that Short Service Commission NCC special entry for men and for women also. and as I'm applying for men, so the for men it is open with grade with graduate 50% aggregate marks, second year, third years. It means appearing candidates can also apply, but appearing candidates should have a bona fide certificate from his her college, which should mention that they will have the final year mark sheet before they join the academy. So I will click on apply, and then you will find the instruction page will open, and then you will proceed to apply this. Once you will apply this form, the application is over. Then you will see that on the roll number will be generated. When the roll number will be generated? After the closing of this application. It means on 16th July at 3 p.m. your roll number will be generated, and with that roll number and the copy of this application form, you can visit to the SSB center once you get the call letter from there. Then you will proceed on, click on continue. Again, you will put your name, your parents' name, your date of birth, then nationality, of course, Indian, and you should be unmarried. Then your mobile number, email ID. So you will select your image from your folder, wherever it is available. Yes. Then I will upload a signature from here. Always remember your signature size and scan photo size must be less than 20 kb. The photo should be less than 20 kb and more than 5 kb, and the signature should be less than 10 kb and more than 5 kb. Then save and proceed ahead. Then you'll find here to put your address. Again, if you will type your address here, if it is same, then you will put your same as permanent address. If the correspondence address is same, then your city, town, state, district, pin code. Then again save and continue. So here you will see now, after selecting your type of school, you will have to fill aggregate marks in graduation exam. So here there are 4 columns. If in your graduation there are 4 years, then you can put first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Or if it is concluded or completed in 3 years graduation, then you can put only 3 years marks. So here we will see first the total marks of first year. If it is 350, this is just for example, it may vary. Second is 400. Then for third year, it is again 350. Now the obtained marks, 248. After putting these marks, you will have to click on the calculate percentage button. Once it is clicked, you will see the marks is already calculated, total aggregate marks and the out of total marks and percentage of the aggregate marks. It will be automatically calculated. Then ward of battle casualties, if you are yes, you can put yes. If no, no. Then NCC certificate. Again, the grading of NCC certificate, if it is A or B, you can put. Then NCC certificate obtained from, you can put the unit name. For example, if it is any battalion, you of course will have it is written on your NCC certificate. Then the NCC certificate number, it is very important. It will be at the back of your certificate, or sometime it is on the front only. Mostly it is at the back of the certificate, so you can write it from there. Then date of issue of NCC certificate, that will be in the bottom of your NCC certificate front page. Whether serving in armed forces or not. See, if you are serving in the armed forces, you can put yes. If not, then no. And once the data is filled, proceed ahead. You will get, you will find this record updated successfully. Okay. Then details of previous SSB. If you are a repeater, you will have to put previous SSB record. As for here, you can see type of commission you have gone for, and the selection center. What was the selection center? You will select from here, and then again your batch number, chest number, reporting date, and what was the result, whether you are not recommended. The conference out is considered as not recommended, or you were screened out. So that way you can put, if you have been repeated more than once, then you can keep on adding the things, adding the details for n number of times, as many times you are repeated. If you are a fresh candidates, you just click on SSB details, no, and then you can go save and continue. So this way your application is filled. So at last you will get this detail to check. Once you have checked everything, the marks and your all detail, whatever you have put, you will have to click on a tick button here that you are agreed the course notification as well as the instruction and you have filled the form. Here you will find few notes that the application will close on 15th July at 3 p.m. Roll number will be generated 30 minutes after the closing of the online application. It means on 15th July 3:30 your roll number will be generated on the website itself. Candidates can edit, cancel the application till the closing of online application. It means till 3 p.m. 15th July you can n number of times you can edit your application. But always you must not forget to submit. Once you have submitted, then only your application form will get submitted. And then again, are you sure to submit the application? Click OK.
You can now download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access online courses related to SSB, personality development and written exams like NDA, CDS, FCAT and plenty of other preparation material. For a limited time period, you can apply the coupon code SureShot20 to get a flat 20% discount on all the courses. Hurry up and become a part of the SureShot family.